Welcome, my dear students. I am Mohammad Faidul Islam, senior teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rangpur. Today's topic is capitalization part 1. Before starting the class, I would like to tell you the learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to know types of letters and 8 rules for using capital letters. Now let's start the class. The letters are mainly divided into 2 types: capital letters and small letters. These are capital letters, that is, the capital letters look like these. These are small letters, that is, the small letters look like these. In English, most of the time we write with small letters. In certain cases, we use capital letters, that is, we use capital letters for specific situations. Now I am going to tell you the rules for using capital letters. Rule number 1. Capitalize the first word of a sentence. Examples. Number 1. An honest man is loved by all. It is an assertive sentence. The first word of the sentence is an, so the first letter A in an is capitalized. Number 2. Have you done the work? It is an interrogative sentence. The first word of the sentence is have, so the first letter S in have is capitalized. Number 3. Look at the board. It is an imperative sentence. The first word of the sentence is look, so the first letter L in look is capitalized. Number 4. May you be happy. It is an optative sentence. The first word of the sentence is may, so the first letter M in may is capitalized. Number 5. How tall you are. It is an exclamatory sentence. The first word of the sentence is how, so the first letter S in how is capitalized. Rule number 2. Capitalize the first word of a direct speech. For example, how is she, said I. The first word of this direct speech is how, so the first letter S in how is capitalized. Now let's go to the next rule. Rule number 3. Capitalize the pronoun I and the exclamation O. Examples. Number 1. I know you. The pronoun I is capitalized. Number 2. Give us peace, O Lord. The exclamation O is capitalized. Rule number 4. Capitalize the names of persons. For example, Rana and Bina are friends. Rana is the name of a person, so the first letter R in Rana is capitalized. Bina is also the name of a person, so the first letter B in Bina is capitalized. Now let's jump to the next rule. Rule number 5. Capitalize the names of places such as villages, towns, cities, districts, divisions. Examples. Number 1. The name of my village is Hajipara. Hajipara is the name of a village, so the first letter H in Hajipara is capitalized. Number 2. He was born in the district of Gaibandha. Gaibandha is the name of a district, so the first letter G in Gaibandha is capitalized. Number 3. My hometown is Rangpur. Rangpur is the name of a town, so the first letter R in Rangpur is capitalized. Number 4. No other city is as big as Dhaka. Dhaka is the name of a city, so the first letter D in Dhaka is capitalized. Now let's jump to the next rule. Rule number 6. Capitalize the names of rivers, canals and lakes. Examples. Number 1. The Meghna is a big river. Meghna is the name of a river, so the first letter M in Meghna is capitalized. Number 2. The Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt. The first letter S in Suez and the first letter C in canal are capitalized because Suez Canal is the name of a canal. Number 3. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world. The first letter L in lake and the first letter B in Baikal are capitalized because Lake Baikal is the name of a lake. Now let's go to the next slide to know the rule number 7. Rule number 7. Capitalize the names of continents and oceans. Examples. Number 1. The names of 7 continents are Europe, Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. The first letter E in Europe is capitalized. The first letter A in Africa is capitalized. The first letter A in Asia is capitalized. The first letter N in North and the first letter A in America are capitalized. The first letter S in South and the first letter A in America are capitalized. The first letter A in Australia is capitalized. The first letter A in Antarctica is capitalized. Number 2. The names of oceans are the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Southern Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. The first letter A in Atlantic and the first letter O in ocean are capitalized. The first letter P in Pacific and the first letter O in ocean are capitalized. The first letter S in southern and the first letter O in ocean are capitalized. The first letter I in Indian and the first letter O in ocean are capitalized. The first letter A in Arctic and the first letter O in ocean are capitalized. Okay. Rule number 8. Capitalize the names of mountains and islands. Examples. Number 1. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. The first letter M in Mount and the first letter E in Everest are capitalized because Mount Everest is the name of a mountain. Number 2. Denali is the highest mountain peak in North America. The first letter D in Denali is capitalized because Denali is the name of a mountain. Number 3. Saint Martin's Island is the only coral island in Bangladesh. The first letter S in Saint, the first letter M in Martin's and the first letter I in island are capitalized because Saint Martin's Island is the name of an island. Number 4. Ireland Island is an island in Europe. The first letter I in Ireland and the first letter I in island are capitalized because Ireland Island is the name of an island. Dear students, in this lesson I discussed 8 rules. I will discuss the rest of the rules in the next classes. Let me finish this lesson with exercise. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters where necessary. Number 1. I read in class 9. Number 2. She asked Ali if he would help her. Number 3. Sicily is an island. Number 4. You made a mistake. Number 5. She lives in Rangpur. Here are the answers. Number 1. I read in class 9. The pronoun I has been capitalized. Number 2. She asked Ali if he would help her. The first word of the sentence is she, so the first letter S in she has been capitalized. Ali is the name of a person, so the first letter A in Ali has been capitalized. Number 3. Sicily is an island. The first word of the sentence is Sicily. Moreover, Sicily is the name of an island, so the first letter S in Sicily has been capitalized. Number 4. You made a mistake. The first word of the sentence is you, so the first letter Y in you has been capitalized. Number 5. She lives in Rangpur. The first word of the sentence is she, so the first letter S in she has been capitalized. Rangpur is the name of a place, so the first letter R in Rangpur has been capitalized. Dear students, I hope you have understood why the letters have been capitalized. See you in the next class. Thanks.